VanEd has created a powerful 6-hour in-person exam prep workshop designed to help students who are about to take their Colorado and national real estate exams. This workshop is packed with reviews of the topics students will see when they take their real estate test, practice exam questions, and test-taking strategies to help them pass their real estate exams the first time. Our experienced instructors are ready to help students with any concepts or questions that still need clarification, all within a classroom-style environment. This workshop is perfect for the student who'd like one more layer of review to boost their confidence before they take the real estate exam. We strongly recommend our online real estate exam prep for any student who hasn't finished VanEd's pre-licensing package and has yet to take the real estate exam the first time. If you're interested in maximizing revenue by becoming a VanEd affiliate and are interested in conducting a live exam prep class in your area, then simply fill out the form below, letting us know that you're interested, and we'll contact you shortly thereafter to discuss the details. Once again, thank you for your interest in becoming a VanEd affiliate, and we look forward to crafting a valued partnership together.